This is the Ahorn A95 motorhome. It sleeps 4 people, costs around 65,000 euros. And what's interesting is its size is under 6 meters, 234 across, and 306 at its highest point. So we're looking at around 65 or 64,000 for something like this. 2 people can sleep in the area above the cab, which, as you can see, is accessed via a ladder. Plenty of space around a very large table which can move, and above that we have got some storage. In fact, quite a lot of storage. There's also a funny seat here, the point of which I don't understand. Other than that, it's trying to make up space. But behind that, we've got access to storage and more above there. In the kitchen, we find yet more storage, 3 burners, and a sensible square-shaped sink with a domestic plug. Bit of storage down there, although that storage could do with a door on it. And here we have a fridge. Access to this bed is via these stairs, and it's a widthwise bed at the back, although I'd like to have seen some covers on the shelves to give better storage. There is one, of course, back there. Window on the side and at the rear. Through this door we've also got access to the rather large garage. Coming in here, we've got a very large washroom for a vehicle of this size. So for under 6 meter, or shall I say 6 meter vehicle, this is an absolutely enormous shower and toilet and sink. So as you can see, there's plenty of storage in this vehicle. Whether or not you'd want to put 4 people in with a payload of around 350, I don't know. There's a garage, which for the size of the vehicle isn't too bad. And so being on a being on a Renault, it's a bit more accessible than those vehicles which are on a Fiat Ducato basis in the current crisis in getting vehicles. So thanks so much for watching. I said I'd do that under 3 minutes, and I did it in well under 3 minutes. There's plenty more vehicles on this site, including a longer one of this one. Thanks for watching.